What's going on, everybody? Today I picked up this pedal set for my Mark 6 Golf TDI. Got it for 20 bucks off Amazon, so my cheapest install and hopefully the easiest install. Now for $20, really not that bad. It's got this nice rubberized texture and this really nice stainless steel inlay, which I think actually looks pretty good. Now I heard these three, the footrest, clutch, and brake pedal, are pretty easy to install as you're just taking off the old one, putting the new one on. But I heard this gas pedal is more just like a cover to the old one, and I heard it's garbage. So we'll go ahead and see how that works, see how these clips work. I heard they don't really work terribly well. In the event that they don't, picked up this JB Weld epoxy, which is what some other folks used, and we're just gonna stick them on and see how it looks. So let's go ahead and get started.
This is not a good idea. So right here, this footrest has a T20 screw right here. And then this just slides out up out of place. And then for these pedals, you just peel them right off. And they have, this one has two little tabs holding it in, and this one that has one large tab holding it in. Now for this, slide it right into place. Actually fits really well. And for these pedals, put those two little tabs in, just enough to get them started, and then start from the bottom up. And that one does take a little bit of force to get on there. When I say start from the bottom, it's because they have this little lip right here, so you have to cup the pedal in there and then push that side in. So you start from the bottom. It takes a good bit of force to get these on. Okay, so this one was a little bit more difficult. I had to use some pliers and kind of pull that little rubber piece from the back to get this to seat completely. Take off the little connector, just the one clip on it. And then we have a T4 bolt all the way in the corner holding this pedal on. Alright, and that's how you get the pedal out. It's got these two little brackets right here that are a pain in the butt.
Alright, so now that we got this pedal on the table, definitely easier to work on off the car. And this is what they were talking about, is these clips right here don't do anything. They don't grab a hold of anything. Now this one at the top does, this one can, and then the rest of this side does not grab onto anything. So what we're gonna do is I'm actually just gonna snip those off because I don't like the way that they look. And we're gonna JB weld this all together. Alright, we got it all epoxied, and I'm just going to put these two little C-clamps on there until it sets up nice. Alright, we got those C-clamps off, and this looks really good. Definitely holds up really nice, and it's solid and it's on there. If you guys get any residual JB Weld or epoxy or adhesive that kind of seep through these cracks, you can just use some warm water and a sponge and a little bit of Gojo, and it'll take it right off.
Alright, and just like that, she's done. 20 bucks, nice and easy. Really wasn't that bad. And definitely, if you ask me, well worth it. It's a pretty easy mod, and it actually looks really good. So if you guys have any questions, definitely let me know. I'd be happy to answer them.